Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to message yourself on WhatsApp, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to message yourself on WhatsApp. In this video, I am going to show you how to do this. First of all, open WhatsApp from your mobile phone. You must save your number in your mobile phone. Now you have to click on contact icon in the right bottom. Here you can see your number is top on list. You have to click on your number to message yourself, and here you can type any message. This is the easy and simple way to message yourself on WhatsApp. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.